Hello, in front of me I have WITHINGS Steel HR, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, if your watch is paired with your phone, I recommend to unpair it. To do it, open the HealthMate app on your phone, tap on Devices right here at the bottom, scroll down, select the Settings, and here tap on Dissociate this product, then tap OK to confirm. We can close the app now, open the Bluetooth settings, and check if there is a device or watches right here on the list. If it's not, you can close the Bluetooth settings. If it is, tap on the cog icon right here and tap on Forget to forget it. After that, press the side button on your watch to wake it up, then press and hold the side button for about 5-10 seconds until you see basically factory reset on the screen, like this. Then press and hold the side button again to enter. And now we need to press the side button 5 times to confirm, like this. When you see reset on the screen, that means that the watch is resetting. And when you see hello and then setup on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.